The reason I had you write out 3 different niche ideas is because before deciding on which one to go with, you're going to want to validate each one and figure out which one is going to be the most profitable on Etsy specifically. And this is all going to be around who the Etsy audience is. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to validate your niche using Everbee. So with Everbee, you can see exactly what searches are the most popular on Etsy, as well as the competition for every product. This is key information to know because you can see what product ideas are set up for the highest chance of success on Etsy. This is a huge mistake that I made in the beginning. I didn't know anything about these apps where you can actually see all the data. I just guessed at what people were looking for. And I wasted a lot of time making products that absolutely no one was searching for. So it's so important that you validate your products beforehand because you don't want to waste time. It's only going to take a few minutes and it's going to save you a ton of time in the long run. Okay, so first up, you want to download Everbee. So how you do that, I've linked it below. So click on that link and then it'll open up the Everbee website here. Just click try for free in the top corner and sign up with an account. I'm already signed up, so I can just kind of click right in here. And then once you've signed up, you're gonna see this page pop up that tells you to install the Everbee Chrome extension. So make sure that you're using Chrome. The Everbee Chrome extension is the best way to use Everbee within Etsy. So you just click this big button, add to Chrome, it's free, add to Chrome. You'll see this stuff pop up, add extension, and then you'll see it'll load in the Etsy website here, but now you have this Everbee menu on the left-hand side. And then this is where you can go into Everbee and use all of the different features. So the free version, it only has around 10 free searches a month, so you'll want to use these wisely unless you want to upgrade to the paid version, which I actually do recommend, especially when you're setting up your Etsy store. Even if you just sign up for a month, then you can spend that month doing a bunch of product research, and it's going to save you so much time in trial and error. Okay, back to validating your niche. So what you'll want to do is go into the keyword research area in the menu on Everbee. Okay, so once you're in the keyword research area, you'll want to type in your niche idea followed by Canva and as well as followed by template. So let's try the Canva one first. Let's say my niche idea was landscaping. So landscaping, I want to type that in, followed by let's do Canva. This is basically going to show you how many people are searching for this on Etsy right now. I can see that there's around 1,000 people searching for this a month on Etsy. There's 5,600 stores that have that keyword. And so I'm getting a keyword score of 180. So that's taking those both of those numbers into account. 180 is not too bad. But down here below, you'll see kind of some related keywords here. Ignore anything that looks weird, spelling errors and stuff. Etsy doesn't actually take spelling errors into account. It'll autocorrect all that. But you can kind of see if there's any related keywords that sound like they're related to landscaping. I'm not seeing anything here. So now let's try, instead of Canva, let's do landscaping template. So I'm getting a search volume of 390, so that's pretty low. There's 55,000 stores with competition. That keyword score is only 10. So far I'm not really having a lot of luck with this landscaping niche. Let's just try, instead of landscaping, let's try landscaper template. I might have a bit more luck with that one. So search volume 387, competition's high, keyword score 0. I'm not really seeing many related keywords to landscaping or landscaper that are coming up here. It doesn't really look like it's a very popular niche on Etsy. I'm just kind of scrolling through just to see if anything related to landscape or landscaper comes up in the related keywords, and nothing's coming up. So basically, this would tell me that I should probably move on to my next niche idea. All right, so my next industry, my next potential niche was, let's say, interior design. So, interior design template. Okay, so my search volume's around 251 for that, quite a bit of competition, and only 20 for the keyword score. So let's try now interior design Canva, see what pops up there. Keyword score is a little bit higher, but when I scroll down, there's actually a lot of related keywords. So that means that people are searching for interior design related products, which is positive because there's going to be a lot of search volume. So interior design, a lot of competition there. Interior designing has pretty high keyword score. Interior design color palette. Wow. So that keyword score is amazing. There's a ton of people searching for interior design color palettes. It's got a high search volume and low competition, which makes that a 900 keyword score. So right away, I'm already getting some product ideas if I want to create an Etsy shop that sells interior design related items. So I could create a digital product that is a color palette or have a bundle of different color palettes. Maybe with that one, I would even include textures and photography. Ideas for different furniture, that kind of thing. Right away, I'm seeing some product ideas. So this is looking very positive so far. Interior design colorings popping up. So many related interior design keywords. So if it were me and I was going through those different niche ideas, I would definitely be leaning more towards the interior design category. Okay, so I was kind of curious about what kind of keyword scores are coming up for real estate templates because that's where my shop is in. So the search volume 790, but look at that competition now. So the competition's just blown up in the real estate niche. The keyword score is pretty low, but let's just check out if there's a lot of related keywords. So look at all these related keywords coming up. This is how you know that a lot of people are searching for things within that same niche. So always come down here when you have a niche idea, always come down to the related keywords. If you see a lot of different words popping up that has your main niche industry in it, then that's a really great sign. If you're coming down here after you've typed in your niche and template and you're seeing that there's nothing really popping up in related keywords, stay away and move on to your next idea. For now, your action step is to write down 5 different product ideas for each niche. Then validate your 3 niches using Everbee. What niche has the highest keyword scores for your product ideas? See the worksheet link below.